win the bloody lottery.
Yeah, but you're smart, look, I'll tell you don't.
We're going to have a lot of Chris Rea number now, and it's called Roadale. It's our version of it. It's one that we put together ourselves and see what we think of it anyway. Well, I'm standing by the river, but the water doesn't flow. It pours with every poison you can think of. And I'm underneath the streetlight, the delight of joy I know. Sky beyond belief, way down in the shadow. And a perverted fear of violence chokes a smile on every face. Common sense is ringing out the bell. This ain't no technological breakdown. Oh no, this is the road to hell. And there's a road jam up with credit, and there's nothing you can do. Just bits of paper flying away from you. Oh, look out, we'll take a good look. Look who's down there. You must learn this lesson fast, learn it well. And perverted fear of violence chokes a smile on every face. Common sense is ringing out the bell. This ain't no technological breakdown. Oh no, this is the road to hell. There's a road jam up with credit, and there's nothing you can do. Just bits of paper flying away from you. Oh, look out, we'll take a good look. Look who's down there. You must learn this lesson fast, learn it well. This ain't no mobile freeway. Oh no, this is the road. This is the road, this is the road to hell. Thank you, good night.